Today we are in our diesel mechanics program. I'm here with Justin, and he's going to tell us some activity that we can do in our homes with our families so that we are still able to experience the power of technical education. So, Justin, tell us a little bit, what are we going to be doing today?
We're going to learn how energy is transferred. Energy can either be created or destroyed. It can only be transferred. These trucks, your car, and your bicycle all use energy transfers. You know how? Where does that energy come from if it can't be created or destroyed? Most of it comes from the sun, and then it goes to the stem of a plant, photosynthesis, and then it goes to a carrot, has calories. Now how those calories get from there to your muscles, hold your arm up like this. But we're going to take energy from here, and how do we get it to the ground? How do we do it to produce work? If we take, let's turn you sideways. If this is the energy source, put your foot on the pedal. And when you pedal, your foot goes up and down, right? That's linear energy. So we take energy from your muscle and move it to linear energy. The pedals, as we roll forward, are going to rotate around. This acts as a crankshaft to convert linear energy into rotational energy. And then it goes to the sprocket on the chain. And then we use what we call mechanical advantage. Are you big and strong? Yeah, getting there. But we use mechanical advantage to be able to convert that rotational energy to the tire. Does it stop there? Go ahead and pedal. Go ahead and pedal. Are you going anywhere? Oh. So what are we lacking? We go from linear energy to rotational energy, use mechanical advantage, but we need one more energy transfer, and it's called friction. And if your tire's not on the ground, we don't have friction energy. Once we get the tire to the ground, we transfer to friction energy, and then what happens? Go ahead and make a zoom around the truck. We just converted friction energy into motion. Energy in motion. What is energy in motion? Do you know? It's called kinetic energy. Energy at rest, when you were here sitting still, that was potential energy. So we just went through numerous energy transfers. We also used mechanical advantage. I'm going to swing the back of your bike over this way. See this right here? How many sprockets do you count right there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 3 up there. How many forward speeds do you have? 21. You have 21 gears. That gives you a better mechanical advantage. He's limited. How fast can you go? Really fast? How fast do you have to pedal? Really fast. But over here, she could go really fast and pedal slow, but it's going to take more energy. So, show me your muscle. Okay. If this is the energy on a small car, this is the energy of this large truck. But how much weight does this truck move? A lot. So this truck uses the same energy transfers that you're using through the bicycle, through the mechanical advantage, to the wheels, to haul groceries, to haul the clothes to the store, to get everything to Walmart. Today it's probably getting toilet paper and everything else, but it uses that same energy transfer. So when you're riding your bicycle and you start up a hill, what happens when you start up a hill? Pedal really, really hard to go up a hill. Okay. With extra mechanical advantage, she can change the mechanical advantage and pedal faster and travel slower. That's the same principles that these trucks use. When these trucks come into a hill, they downshift. Change the mechanical advantage because they're limited on the energy source, but we can change the mechanical advantage to get more power. So next time you're out riding your bike, you can feel that. Do some days you go faster than others, some days you have more energy. That's the same principles these trucks work on. And in here, we learn to take those energy transfers and use that as for diagnostic purposes.
We just want to thank Justin today for teaching us about kinetic energy, potential energy, and transfer of energy, and probably mechanical advantage and all sorts of stuff. We've learned a lot today, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so thanks, Justin. Tell you guys, go out, get on your bikes, learn how to transfer energy, and use your mechanical energy to have some fun.
Let's go riding!